What's up guys, this is A for iOS Hacker, and in today's video we're going to talk about the recently released iOS 17.4.1. Apple has just released the new iOS 17 update for all iPhone and iPad models that support iOS 17. So if you have a compatible iOS device, then simply head over to the software update section of your iOS device and install the update. iOS 17.4.1 and iPadOS 17.4.1 are minor updates, which means they only bring bug fixes and security improvements to iOS devices. Apple has not added any new features or noticeable changes in this release. However, it is extremely important that you install this update on your devices. Apple has yet to provide details about the security changes that have been introduced in this release. We have added a link to Apple's security update page below so you can see what's changed once the page has updated. Along with iOS 17.4.1, Apple has also released iOS 16.7.7 update for iPhone 10 and older. If you have one of those devices, then you can install iOS 16.7.7 on your device from software update page. The Vision OS 1.1.1 update has also been released for Apple Vision Pro users. So guys, this was our very brief look at iOS 17.4.1 and iPad 17.4.1 updates. Although this is a boring update and no new features have been added in this release, Apple recommends that every iOS user should install this update for essential security updates and bug fixes. This was Zay for iOS Hacker, and I will catch you in our next video.